I'm feeling the love too. I hope you're feeling that today. Let's enter a time of meditation together. And I invite you to take a deep breath. Let your body relax. Release any tension as we turn our thoughts inward and thoughts of love. You know, not everyone feels merry and bright at this time of year. How do we share love with those who don't feel that? Don't always feel Merry Christmas. Maybe sadness. Maybe loss. And yet we know that love is real. It's the only real thing. It's the only thing that lasts. In this moment, open to images from Spirit. Allow Spirit to bring someone to your mind. Maybe someone you haven't seen in a while. Maybe someone you know that's suffering. Allow Spirit to bring them to your mind and see them. See them and send them a thought of love. It's as simple as speaking from your heart to theirs. It's a love language from our heart. It's beyond words. See them in your mind. Speak to them from your heart. Allow that love to flow through you. We give, we receive love with gratitude, with joy. We send it out. We send it out to the world. We send it out to the creatures that we share this planet with. We send it out to those who maybe aren't feeling merry and bright at this time of year. We send it to them. We send that love from heart to heart to those who are suffering. We surround ourselves with that love, knowing that it flows evermore. It's never depleted. It's always full and refreshing, always available for us. And as we sit together, we know that that love is the only thing that lasts. And as we breathe in and as we breathe out, one last thought of love to surround the world. And so it is.